everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to do a simple, quick and easy breakfast recipe. And as you can see here, I have a roast breadfruit that I baked in the oven yesterday. So I wanted to show you guys how I fry it up, and you know, you can improvise. You can either have it roasted or fried. Alright, so right here I have some spinach and some calalloo. I have a few leaves of pak choy as well. And beside this, I'm going to also do some fried dumplings. If you want to continue watching this video, guys, do remember to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Alright, let's get straight into this one. Alright guys, we're going to need the dumpling doughs first, and this is only because I want to rest the dough before we fry it. Alright, so here I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. To this, I'm going to add in some baking powder, and I'm going to use 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. We're going to use some salt, the sugar, and of course you want to combine all of these first before we add the butter. And for this, guys, the dumpling will be soft. It's not going to be hard like 2 hours after. You can still enjoy nice soft dumpling. It's because, remember, you need things to condition the dough, right? So we have here the salt. It helps to loosen up the gluten strands, right? And also the baking powder. Now I'm going to add in my butter. And the butter as well, guys, helps to condition the dough. If you have milk, you can go ahead and add it. That too has protein in it, which also helps to condition the dough. I don't have any milk, so I'm going to just use water. And as usual, guys, water. The water now, guys, you want to add it gradually, not all of it at once, right? So this is 1 cup of water. I'm going to add it gradually just to form a nice dough, alright? So you see my dough here, nice and soft, not hard. You don't have to get the dough like you're going to make boiled dumpling. You need the dough to be soft and pliable, alright? Okay guys, so I'm going to cover my dough with a damp paper towel and let it rest for a while, alright? And guys, when you're stripping your calalloo, this is the little film you want to remove from the stalk. This little the film is very chewy, so you don't want to cut up this on it, right? So you want to remove it. And as you can see, I deliberately cut off the longer stalk because I think that area is a little bit harder. So I'd like to remove that area as well. So as you can see, what I'm doing is just gathering some of the leaves. So what I'm going to do here is to just roll it, so when I'm cutting it, it's a little bit easier. What I like to do again is to just chop everything a little finer. as you can see guys, this breakfast you're gonna be ready in no time. And here my oven baked breadfruit. Removing the heart of the breadfruit. What I'm going to do guys is to lightly season my breadfruit. So I have here some all-purpose seasoning and some salt. Alright guys, this is my dough after it has been resting for around 30 minutes. You see the texture of it is nice and smooth. That's what you're looking for, right? And you would roll your dumpling in the desired shape and size. And you want to make sure guys your oil is heating up. You want to be sure not to overcrowd your pot. Alright guys, you can see how nice and golden brown these dumplings are looking. Alright, look how amazing they are looking, man. Now when I say the salt and the butter help to condition the dumpling dough, is it allows it to be softer. Alright, so as the air pass through, you don't have no problem. It's not gonna get tough or nothing. It's just nice and soft, right? And you want to make sure each side looks the same, nice and golden brown. That's when you know it's fried right through and through, right? You don't want one side look more browner than the other side, because that means it not fry evenly. You want to make sure when you're removing your dumplings, you drain them off on some paper towels, which I'm going to be doing right now. And you want to make sure you fry your dumplings in nice amount of oil, right? Remember now, your flames not to be too hot or turn up too much, because they will start burning, and then that means that they're not going to cook evenly on the inside. So you want to have your flame like medium to low heat, not too low but just right in between medium and high. Alright guys, so while our dumpling frying off, we're going to start with our vegetables. And of course we're going to start with our garlic, onion, and scallion. Alright guys, we're going to add in our carrots. And you want to make sure you turn your dumplings on each side. Make sure all of the sides are properly golden brown, right? And watch your flames. While this is coming together, I'm going to add in my spinach, all-purpose seasoning, and some salt. You just want the spinach to quilt a little bit before adding in the calalloo. And the beauty guys about cutting up your own calalloo is that you get more for your money, as opposed to buying it at the store pre-cut. So now I'm going to go in with my calalloo. Now guys, as you can see, I did not put any liquid to it. It's because vegetable tends to have its own liquid, right? So as it steam and cool down, the water will start coming from it. I personally don't like to add water to it. But if that's your thing, you can go right ahead and you can add water. But I don't like to add water to my vegetables. We don't want to overcook our veggies either, alright? To season the breadfruit, I'm going to burn this in the pot, as well as 2 cloves of garlic, just to give some additional flavor here, guys. So right now what I'm doing, guys, is to remove the garlic from my pot and my thyme. When you're using the thyme, ensure that it's the fresh thyme you're using and not the old thyme, right? The old one, too much leaves, is going to come off in the pot. Time to remove our breadfruit, guys, and you can see nice and golden brown here. Watch you now, guys. Nice and easy breakfast this in the morning, guys. I'm telling you, so delicious, so easy to make. You know, we have a dumpling them on the side. I got open one of the dumpling them show now. Look at that. Right there, so guys, and our steamed veg, nicely steamed, guys. Look at that. Now me I go show you how the dumpling them stay, because remember we fry them first, you know, so you know, so them put on the for a little while. Look at that. Look at that. Nice and soft. You can see, look, everything cooked right through and through. Right there, guys. Right here. Just sandwich it right the right way, guys. I see you eat dumplings. Sandwich it and just eat it. See, our nice easy breakfast, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Until next time, bye.